As part of Maritime Careers Week, join our operations team here at Shoreham Port to learn all about how they handle our key cargoes. Our operations team oversee the whole journey of cargo here at Shoreham Port, from our ships agency colleagues who coordinate many ships' calls throughout their voyages, to the port operatives who discharge, load and move cargoes, our haulage team who organise the transportation of timber, to those who liaise with our varied customers. Each and every role in our operations team is essential to keep cargo moving, and our standing within the maritime sector is the result of our well-trained and dedicated colleagues who strive to give their best service to our valued customers every day. We handle a wide range of cargoes, mainly timber, steel and aggregate, as well as rock salt, recycled glass, wood chip and cereals. Keeping these cargoes moving has been particularly important during recent months, as our team, who are key workers, have been working incredibly hard to keep Britain supplied. Their work in operations has ensured that we can continue to supply essential commodities such as cereal used in bread and porridge and vital construction materials used for drinking reservoirs, railways, roads, emergency hospitals and other critical uses. Of course, we aren't able to handle these cargoes without our key machinery. We have a modern fleet of Cenobogan cranes here at Shoreham Port, which can lift up to 30 tonnes with the use of different attachments and operates during challenging weather conditions. Shoreham Port's latest crane, a Cenobogan 880 Classic, is the largest mobile materials handler in the world and weighs 181 tonnes. We've recently updated our fleet of forklift trucks that our port operatives expertly use. These have additional safety and environmental features such as white noise reverse alarms to reduce noise pollution and Tier 5 engines with monitoring systems to reduce emissions. Let's take a look at the cargoes that travel through our lock gates at Shoreham Port. As the largest timber handling port along the south coast, timber is our most imported cargo here at Shoreham, the majority of which is used in the UK construction industry. Timber shipped to us is mostly from the Scandinavian countries of Sweden and Finland and the Baltic countries of Latvia and Russia. We're very pleased to say that the majority of the timber we handle for our customers is sustainably sourced and is FSC and PEFC certified. A unique feature of the port is the use of our state-of-the-art stock control system, TrackerPack. This barcode technology allows us and our customers to track the real-time movements of the packs of timber from the moment it lands at Shoreham to the moment it leaves on a vehicle. Our haulage team organised over 3,000 vehicle movements last year, ensuring smooth transfers of timber from vessels to vehicles to customers. Next, we'll take a look at steel. With two highly esteemed steel companies, Barrett Steel and ArcelorMittal, based at terminals within the port, it's no surprise that steel is one of our other popular cargoes, which comes to us in the form of sheet piles or profiles. Much of the steel shipments come from Poland, Belgium, Spain and northern England. Our cranes are fitted with a steel spreader attachment, which can be extended to the lengths of 6 to 18 metres to lift the cargo. We are able to discharge 12 to 1,500 tonnes of steel per day, which is around 30 bundles per hour. Bulk cargoes also come through our lock gates on a regular basis at the port. These are commodities that are stored loose in the hold of the vessel, like rock salt, recycled glass and aggregate. Rock salt often comes from Ireland, and the recycled glass is sent to us by local councils and exported to Portugal to be melted and made into new glass bottles. Aggregate is a term for coarse to medium-grained particulate material used in construction, like sand, gravel and crushed stone. We handle these cargoes via the use of a crane attachment known as a clamshell. Meanwhile, another bulk cargo, biomass wood chip, requires a very specific crane attachment known as an orange peel grab. This grab has a capacity of 10 cubic metres and enables around 2,000 tonnes of wood chip to be loaded onto a ship and compacted in only 26 hours. Sourced by Stobbart Biomass, the recycled wood chip is made from waste wood which would otherwise be destined for landfill. Instead, it's exported to Northern Europe and Scandinavia to power highly efficient, environment-friendly power stations. Grain and cereals, on the other hand, are discharged via conveyors and loaded via a spout system. This is operated by Shoreham Silo Services at our grain silos. Shoreham Port has an extremely diverse workforce, and one of our key values is the continuous improvement of our procedures and services, with health and safety being at the core of all that we do. Our team aim to continuously improve safety, building a positive health and safety culture through high quality and regular training. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning all about the varied and essential work of our operations team here at Shoreham Port.